Good morning from the desert. My name is Tom, and I'm coming to you from Phoenix, Arizona. Today is Saturday, and we're getting ready to go on out there early in the morning and deliver a lot of coffee, a lot of bagels, a lot of early morning breakfast, McDonald's and whatnot. Last night I finished entering in everything from my hourly data sheet into my major spreadsheet so that I could continue to track those hourly earnings. We found out that so far this year we're averaging just slightly under $22 an hour. Last year we did something like $19.20 or $19.40 was our hourly average over the course of the year. So we're ahead of schedule from last year by doing some minor tweaks from the data that we collected last year, and so far it's working out. Still have a couple of minor tweaks that I need to do to the spreadsheet because we're transitioned over into the new year. Found a couple of things that were slightly off. Have to do a little bit of correcting on that. I was a little bit behind entering all this stuff in because with the launch of this crappy ass YouTube channel that provides no value whatsoever, and believe me, I know that. I'm not saying that I've got all the answers. All I'm trying to say is, hey, let's go out there and go take a look at these numbers, right? So because I was out here producing some of these YouTube videos and whatnot, and it was taking up some time that normally I would be spending on the spreadsheet, I fell behind a little bit. So I caught up last night, got all that information in there, and I'm liking what I'm seeing. It's validating some of the choices that I'm making. And if you watch the video from yesterday about numbers, you'll see the importance of tracking those numbers, and if you do that, then things will be revealed, and you can make some choices to counter the DoorDash strategies to try and maximize their profits, so that you have the ability to counter that and maximize your profits. So with that, I hope that you have a great Saturday. I hope that you're safe out there. Hopefully you're not out there playing in the snow. Again, mass respect to you individuals who are out there doing it. I don't know how you're able to do it. Sometimes I consider moving, and I'm like, why? I just don't know that I can make the same numbers that I'm making here in an environment where there's snow. So I feel for you. So my goal for you is that we can do something by watching these videos when it's cold and you're in your warm car and you're waiting for an offer because it's not happening, that we might be able to tweak something for you that increases a little bit of your profit and helps your family out, helps out your situation, and just maximizes your efforts. With that, I'm at the gas station. I'm going to get started filling up the gas tank, and heading on out there to go take care of these individuals. So you guys have a great day. Be safe. Much love.